Hello friends, welcome to my Odia English Guru channel. Now we can learn English speaking practice with action. So let's get started.
What is this action? Pinching. He is pinching her. He is pinching her. What is this action? Cutting. She is cutting a piece of paper. She is cutting a piece of paper. What is this action? Yawning. She is yawning. She is yawning. What is this action? Slapping. She is slapping her. She is slapping her. What is this action? Scrolling. I'm scrolling on my phone. I'm scrolling on my phone. What is this action? Tickling. He is tickling him. He is tickling him. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this video.